Hello everyone. My name is Namrata Valavalkar and I'm a student from EBIS Wellinger. We will be presenting on our project topic, a new product that we are developing, which is a sustainable alternative to styrofoam. It is a sustainable packaging solution and we name it as BioFoam. BioFoam is a revolutionary biodegradable alternative that is an alternative for replacing styrofoam, which is the expanded polystyrene. So basically, the problem which arises is that while using styrofoam, is that styrofoam is not a renewable or a biodegradable product, because of which this packaging solution is not viable and it creates pollution. It is difficult to biodegrade and it takes years. Next, it is harmful for health as well, and it is having recycling challenges and inefficiencies. Due to its toxic chemical impact, it is also a potential for carcinogen, polluting the air and water and harming health. Um, Here we present our solution, a sustainable solution, the BioFoam. BioFoam is innovation in its material as it uses cornstarch, bagasse, the sugarcane bagasse, and mycelium. We have product formulation, so creating a plant-based polymer blend that mimics styrofoam's properties. It has properties which are very similar to styrofoam, but they are renewable. As this packaging solution, when discarded, it can be recycled. It can degrade very easily without harming the environment. The prototype development, like we have done the thermal insulation, lightweight properties, durability, all checked, as the raw material proposes all these features. And it all is available in customizable form as per the product or the food which is to be packaged in this. BioFoam, a detailed solution. So these are some of the materials that we will be using while making our product, doing the new product development. It would be of cornstarch, sugar bagasse, that is leftovers of while processing the sugarcane. Then we have mushroom mycelium, which is a rapidly growing industry, material, sustainable, and it is a very unique alternative to the styrofoam. Then we have the wheat straw, which adds strength and durability to our biofoam product. And then we have recycled paper pulp. So as we have a lot of paper waste, we can use it for a betterment of the society. And then we have soybean flour as well, which is sustainable. Also, we have soya-based ink, plant ink, which can be used while printing anything on the packaging, so that even the printing is done in a sustainable form. So these are our prototype. Uh, so the food container, which is made from sugarcane bagasse, then food containers made of mycelium. So it even has a very unique look, and we have glasses which are made of cornstarch. So we also have done the prototype testing. This is our prototype testing, since we need to ensure that our product has heat retention, because we will be packing some food items in it, and as we know that there are some foods which are put into it with which are just freshly cooked, the heat ones, so it should retain the heat strength. And for that, as the polystyrene, expanded polystyrene used to give us the heat retention rate. These raw materials that we have used also help us giving the same heat retention, so that the food while delivery, it doesn't get cooled down, and it is able to retain its taste, flavor, and the heat as well. Next is the structural integrity. So basically, this packaging solution using the plant-based materials is also structurally fit and does not have any leakage. And so for that, we have done rigorous drop compression and leak tests, so that any food containing liquid or oil does not leak out of the container, causing the customers uh, to not opt for the packaging again. So, results consistently demonstrate that the capacity to withstand significant impacts without structural failure exceeding industry standard for EPS by 20% in compression tests and showing minimal to no leaking under pressure. And this robustness ensures safe handling and transportation of contents. So when the delivery guy is handling the food, they don't hamper with the food, or there is no leakage, and the food parcel, it reaches to the customer safe and sound. Biodegradability, so this is for what the entire product indicates, imbibes, is for biodegradability. It easily gets into the nature once it is used and it is thrown away. It can be recycled, and also no residues will be left which are harmful in the when they are put into the landfills. So it is a very sustainable solution and good for the environment and society.
Hi, I am Piyush Naik. Now I am going to talk about the production process of this. The first step will be our sourcing and processing. Here we will begin by collecting agricultural waste that will be primarily from sugarcane base or from the local farms. That is according to the region we are producing. This waste is then transported to our facility for meticulous cleaning, then drying, grinding into smaller particles, which ensures consistent product quality. After this process, we will go for formulation, that is precisely measuring particles are blended with plant-based biodegradable binders. These binders provide strength and structural integrity. This is used to do the mixing, and the next step will be curing and hardening. Here, the molded biofoam containers and cups are transferred to a temperature controlled curing chamber where precise heating is done and which hardens and solidifies the polymer blend, which enhances the durability and water resistance of the biofoam. What it does is that it eliminates the need for harmful chemicals that is present in the typical styrofoam production. Next is waterproofing and insulation. After curing, biofoam products receive a thin and food-safe plant-based waterproofing coating that increases its durability. This also ensures that suitability of various foods and beverages while improving thermal insulation so that the hot food stays inside there for long time. Next, what we will do is the branding. In branding, we will uh, apply the plant-based non-toxic inks for branding that will enhance our sustainability. And this eco-friendly approach minimizes environmental impact also that reflects our sustainability commitment. Next. So the key benefits of using the biofoam is first is the biodegradability. We know that styrofoam takes longer time to degrade. This biofoam is fully compostable within 3 months under commercial composting condition. It gets biodegraded. and it also meet the ASTM D6400 standard for compostability. Second, it is renewable sources. We procure most of our items from agriculture byproducts, so it is highly renewable. Third is it is safe for food uses. As we are procuring most of our item from agriculture, this is non-toxic and shows safe uses for hot and cold beverages for food, and also complies with the FDA regulation for food and contract. Fourth is superior insulation. It also provides optimal temperature for the food that we are packaging, and average temperature retention is about 15% higher than the EPS foam based on independent testing. Fifth is the customized design. That is design. Talking about the design aspect, we can shape into various sizes tailored to the food industry needs, and the minimum order quantities vary depending on complexity of the design. Last is the durability and the weight of the product, which after the prototype testing, we found that it is highly durable, and it can withstand various temperature and drop test and leakage test, and it exceeds the industry standards for drop and compression resistance. Next, talking about the marketing strategy that we will follow is the first is eco-friendly branding. It highlights the compostable natures and lack of harmful chemicals that we are using. Marketing materials that we are using, that is coming from agriculture products, that is from natural environment, emphasizing on reduced carbon footprint compared to the EPS form, and prominently displaying relevant certifications in the product. Second is B2B engagement. Here we will target the key accounts in our food delivery systems, that is restaurants and cafe, and we will offer the customized packaging to the industry, tailored to their specific needs. Third is government collaboration. We will actively participate in sustainability and environmental initiatives that will support industry sustainability. We will tie up with the government agencies and educate the policy makers on bioform environmental benefits, and explore the grant and subsidies opportunities provided by the government for adopting this bioform. Fourth is we will go for consumer awareness campaign. We will launch social media campaigns and influencer marketing to educate consumer about biofoam and its benefits, partner with environmental organization to amplify this message, use engaging videos and infographics to highlight the life cycle of this product, and secure positive media coverage through public relations campaigns. Okay, the last part is the biofoam future outlook. If we talk about the biofoam future, we are promoting the sustainable packaging solution for every industry that will significantly reduce reliance on harmful EPS foam. We project significant market expansion into new sectors beyond food services, including the consumer goods, and we need to expand to industrial applications also. This continuous and development, research and development will focus on improving the biofoam property in further, and which will also increase the durability and expanding its range from customizable designs. In coming future, we plan to actively forge strategic partnership with environmental organizations and government agencies to promote widespread adoption and advocate policies that will support sustainable packaging initiatives. Our commitment will be to create a cleaner, more environmental friendly and sustainable future, so that we can use this one compostable packaging at every industry and promote sustainability. Thank you.